Hi friends, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Today we are going to make a roasted salsa verde that is going to knock your socks off again like all the rest of my salsas. So let's get into it now. Our ingredients are pretty simple with this one. We have about a pound of tomatillos. We have some serranos. I upgraded from my previous jalapenos I've been using. And we have just a medium-sized white onion. We got some garlic cloves, and we're using an Anaheim pepper, and then we got about half a lemon and some chicken bouillon. Remove the husks from the tomatillos and then put in the water. Also, when you're pulling off the husks, you want to make sure that you get the stem off too, so pull that right off. Let's throw our serranos in there. And then the Anaheim pepper in there is too. Let's let those soak for a minute. Cut the onion in half. Add our ingredients. So we're just adding the tomatillos right now. I'm just getting them placed in there. We're gonna drop our onion down in here. We're gonna throw our awesome serranos, get those guys going, and our Anaheim pepper. During this point, the veggies have been cooking for about 10 minutes and they're charred on one side, so we need to flip all the veggies over to get them charred on the other side now. Oh man, it's never too late to drop the garlic in. Add a little water. Now it's time to remove all the ingredients from the pan. Our ingredients. Boom. Salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix. Lemon to taste. Now we have to give it just one last good blend. Alright, so we just got done with the final blend. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa, man! That heat just hit you hard. It's like, smells super good. We made about 24 ounces today with this batch, so I think we're good. But you know what time it is. I think it's chip tasting time, so let's do this now. Let's go. This is good. The Anaheim pepper with it being roasted brings in so much flavor. This is so good. And you know, if I'm going in for another cheap, did I just say cheap? If I'm going in for another chip, it's a damn good salsa, and it is so good. I mean, look at this, my flakiness from the salt, from the roastedness, so good. Oh my God. This is probably one of my favorite recipes yet today. So be sure to check out the recipe for this salsa in the description below. Definitely hit it up. It is going to be worth it. So good. So that's it for today's recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Total prep time was about 35 minutes. And if you guys like our recipes, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We post content on every Thursday on the dot, baby. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next week. Bye.